What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to actually partake in an IDO on a BlueZilla launchpad. I've had a couple of folks already ask me this question, so let me just make a quick video. Again, this is going to be off the hip. I'm not preparing it. I'm not editing it. I'm just doing this quickly so that he can get it in time. Guys, here it is. Alright, first off, you're going to need a Metamask wallet, guys. First thing, if you don't already have one, you should already have one. Guys, get yourself Metamask. It's going to come up here. Add it to your extensions or your shortcuts up there. It's very easy to use. Once you have Metamask, we need to connect to the Binance Smart Chain because we know that Astroswap is going to be launching on ADAPAD, and ADAPAD is functioning on the Binance Smart Chain. So again, once you've downloaded Metamask, go to chainlist.org. I'm going to link all of these in the description. Go to chainlink.org. At the search, hit Binance or type in Binance. It's gonna come up. Here you'll hit Connect Wallet, and then you add to MetaMask, and that automatically will add the chain Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask. And you just go and you find it on your list here. Again, let me show that again. You're at the top. You click onto your MetaMask, and then you have this drop down at the very top, and here are all the blockchains or smart chains that you can connect to. I have obviously KCC for KCC pad. I also have some other ones, and I also have Binance Smart Chain. So Binance Smart Chain is the one you want to select. So again, we know Astroswap is going to be on ADAPAD, and we know that ADAPAD requires staking. So let's take a look at what we need to do here in terms of staking. Guaranteed tiers, 25,000 ADAPAD minimum. Lottery tiers, 2,000, 4,000, 6,000. All right, so you have to take that in consideration. What do you want to get into? Let's just pretend that we're going into 25,000. So I need to go and buy 25,000 ADAPAD. To do that, you need to go to PancakeSwap. So now that we have our MetaMask wallet on PancakeSwap, I'm going to disconnect mine just to show you really quick. When you hit PancakeSwap, you will see at the top right, Connect Wallet, MetaMask, and that will connect your wallet. As long as you've done the step on Chainlist to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask here in PancakeSwap, you're going to be able to now make a trade. So I know that I have some BUSD here, and if you want to know how to get BUSD into your MetaMask wallet, go ahead and watch the video. It's called How to Convert Stablecoins to Different Blockchains. It will tell you. But you have your BUSD here, and I'm going to buy not ADA, but ADAPAD. Let's see if it comes up on the search. It does not. Also, it's not recommended to go by search. You always want to pull up the contract. So on CoinGecko, I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on copy link. That will copy the contract address specifically for ADAPAD. And now I can put that in here, and ADAPAD should be coming up. It does. Hit import. I understand. Import. Okay, so now I have my ADAPAD. For this video, I'm only going to buy 5 ADAPAD because I need my money for IDOs. So I'm going to buy 5 ADAPAD. I'm going to swap that. All right. It's going to do its thing, and it should tell me once it's confirmed. Something should pop up here and it'll make a note. There it is. So now I have my 5 ADAPAD. You can check this by going into assets. That same contract number that I already copied, if you go to the bottom of your asset list, you can add token. Right? I paste that in, that same contract address. Oh, it doesn't work. That's weird. Okay, don't worry about it. You don't have to actually see it. Once you have that confirmation, you know you have it in here. It may not show up because you do need to add the token. But let's go to ADAPAD now because we need to stake. So from the main website, let me go to the top of the main website. I apologize for all the clicking. Again, I'm not cutting any of this. This is a quick one just to get out in front of you guys so you can get into Astroswap. But staking, right? I will click on that, and that's going to take me to my staking platform, which is right here. You can see my amount staked right here. You can see my rewards so far, and yeah, the APY. But in order to stake, scroll down a bit, hit I read the terms and conditions. Okay, looks like I need to connect. All right, let me refresh this page. Not cutting anything, guys, I apologize, but this was requested and I thought I'd help them out and try and get them this information. So again, once you're there, oh yeah, guys, you're gonna need to do KYC if you have not already done KYC on any of the BlueZilla launchpads when you connect to the website initially. So when you're here and you click on Open App, it's gonna take you pretty much to this screen here. Right, then you're going to connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, there will be another button to the right of it where you would do your KYC. Right? The KYC is going to take about 12 hours, so I hope you've already done that, right? And once the KYC is approved, you'll have a green KYC button next to your address, and it's going to go across all the BlueZilla launchpads, so you don't have to do it individually. Once you have it approved on ADAPAD, it will be approved on KCCPad, TronPad, ETHPad, VelasPad, BSCPad, all the pads. All right. Anyway, going back to staking. So again, we just bought ADAPAD on PancakeSwap. Now we're gonna go and stake it, and in order to stake it, we're going to go to the staking part of the ADAPAD website. Scroll down at the bottom, click this checkbox. I've read the terms and conditions after we've connected our wallet. Hit next. I only bought 5, so that's all I have to stake. Hit next. Just keep clicking through, and it's going to prompt you to confirm. Right? There's a transaction fee, 15 cents. And this is the part that takes a little bit, but essentially it's just going to spin. Let me pause the video. Okay, and it actually completed about 5 seconds after I paused, but here it is, transaction submitted. All right, then you want to hit next one more time, right? You only did essentially the approval to stake, but now you actually need to go and stake, so you got to hit next again. So be very careful not to miss this step. Hit next again. Another prompt will come up to actually now move your 5 ADAPAD onto their staking pool. Hit confirm. And now it's going to spin again. I'm going to pause. Okay, that took me about 15 seconds. Some of you guys, it might take longer, it might be quicker, but this is the next pop-up that's going to appear. You hit close, and now you can see that my rewards went away because I unstaked or staked, and that essentially unstakes and stakes again. But so I've added those 5 ADAPADs. So essentially, you would be doing whatever your tier requires, right? So you want to keep in mind that whatever you're going for, if you're going for lottery or guaranteed tiers, you're going to need to stake the minimum amount associated with whatever you pick. Okay, and next up we're gonna go back to the website, and we'll go on Open App, and then we're gonna click on Projects at the top. This takes us here. Astroswap is the project. You can see 12 hours 22 minutes remaining. I click on Astroswap and then connect my wallet. Metamask, it's connected. I pass KYC. All right, so shortly before the swap, this window here on the right, where you see the balance, basically that whole area, that is going to be where your allocation is going to show. It's going to tell you, oh, you're in this tier, your allocation is so much money, right? So 50 bucks, 100 bucks, whatever, okay? That it will tell you exactly, and there's going to be a countdown. Maybe the countdown will be on the right, but you'll see the countdown of when this opens. For the initial allocation, don't worry about timing. Once it opens, you have several hours, right? I think 4 or 5 hours in order to complete what you need to do. But then there's going to be a second round, and you can see here. So allocation round starts at 8 UTC. First come, first serve, prepare at 12:45 UTC. So that's going to be the one where you actually want to be quick, because right when it opens at 1300 UTC, everyone and their mama is going to try and get some additional allocation, and they're going to click approve and join pool real quick, and essentially take your spot if you're not quick about it. Okay, so first allocation will be nice and easy. You come here, timer expires, you hit approve, and then you click join pool. Another pop-up will come up and it will tell you, oh, what do you want to stake or allocate the max amount? You just click on max, then okay, and then the same pop-up will come up with your wallet where you confirm the transaction, and then you'll join the pool, and it will show you here you've swapped so and so much BUSD in order to allocate whatever your allocation is. All right, then you come back a few hours later at 12:45 UTC just to get prepared, and at that time it will actually show you how much of the first come first pool or first come first serve allocation you get. So it could be an additional $15. It's usually lower than the first allocation, right? It's an additional 15. So that one it's FCFS, first come first serve. So right at 1300 UTC, the timer expires. Before that, you'll already want to have hit the approve button, right? So come here again at 12:45 UTC. Go ahead and hit approve. You just have to do it once. It will still be highlighted and you can click it again, but don't worry about that. Just do it one time. That's all you need. Once you've done it once, you go in your wallet and you confirm all the stuff after you click approve. Then you wait on the timer to expire, and as soon as the timer expires, boom, you hit join pool as fast as you can, as soon as it pops up. So on the website or on your phone, it takes a couple of seconds. So the timer will expire, and then like 5 seconds later, you still can't click the button. Just wait. Sometimes it takes 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Just wait until that button highlights, and then boom, click it as fast as you can. I personally like to do this on my phone because I have more success there. But if you want to use your desktop, if you have a fast computer and you trust it, do it there. All right, and that's it. That's how you get into these IDOs. I'm gonna try and record it so I can make a more official video and show you guys. But I hope this helps. I hope you guys get in. Good luck and happy hunting, guys. I'm out. Peace.